Hello, last class we learned about how to move the rook. I think you guys have understood that one. Today we are going to learn about how to move the bishop. Moving the bishop is very easy. So let me share my screen. You can see here the bishop. You already know this one. This square is called light square. This one is called dark square. So the rook will move in plus symbol. You are clear about that one? Rook will move in plus symbol. The bishop will move in a diagonal. The bishop will move in a diagonal. You can take it as into symbol or as a x. You can take it as a into symbol or take it as a x. Okay. The main rule number one, you have to remember that one is the light square bishop only goes to light square. Once again, I will repeat. The light square bishop only move to light square only. And if the dark square bishop only goes to dark square only. It will never go to light square. Remember that one? The dark square bishop never go to light square. The light square bishop never move to dark square. If you want to kill this pawn, for example, if I want to kill this one pawn, so I have to just move my bishop to c5, then I have to kill the pawn. If I want to kill this pawn, I should not use this one because the pawn is in the light square. That means I have to use my light square bishop only. So I have to move my bishop to d5 or I have to move my bishop to g6, then I can kill the pawn. For example, I will keep on some pawns here. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to kill all those pawns. See, it's very simple. First, you have to go diagonally in front of the pawn, then kill the pawn. So I want to kill this pawn now, the c2 pawn. So it's a light color pawn, so I have to use my light color bishop. So I will bring the bishop to g6, then I'll kill the pawn. Now I want to kill the dark square pawn. So just move my bishop to d8. Then I'm going to kill that pawn. So the only pawn left is in a light square bishop. So which bishop I have to use? Yes, I have to use a light color bishop. Bring the bishop to d1 or bring the bishop to e4. Then you can kill the pawn. It's very simple. You have to just remember light square bishop move to only light square. The dark square bishop moves to only dark square. Yes, today I think you're clear about how to move the bishop. Next class we are going to learn about how to move the queen. Until that, bye bye.